Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Leo and this is the latest episode of Figma Weekly, your one-stop source for the latest news and resources on Figma. Figma's dropping new updates every Thursday and I'll be here to bring them all to you on video. This week you can add videos to FigJam, FigJam embedded improvements, FigJam Photo booth improvements, Emoji improvements, and Spotlight. So let's hop right in. The first update is that you can add videos to your FigJam, an MP4 or a .mov. This is kind of cheating because they released this update in August, but there you go, you can still do it. You can resize your video, you can play your video, it's really easy. You can delete your video, and that's the video functionality in FigJam. Update number 2 is FigJam embed improvements. Embedding content in FigJam has a new look and it's easier to use. The way you find this is you go down to your widget plugin button down here, click more on the top right, and you'll find that you can embed code blocks, timers, media, or links, and the interface is updated and just a little bit easier to use. So if you click links, you can see it gives you a couple suggestions here of things you can embed. If you enter a YouTube video, it brings you a nice YouTube interface and you can make the screen larger or smaller. You can turn it into a link, you can turn it back into text, and that's basically what you can do with videos. It's also really nice to be able to embed Spotify music. So if I copy a link to Spotify and paste it in here, you'll see it gives me a song that I might play right from my FigJam, and it gives me the artist's information and their picture and their name. And so it's a new interface, it's a little bit easier to use, it's a little bit more interesting. The next update is an update to the FigJam Photo booth widget. Photo booth now lets you pick from multiple cameras and comes with some better visual effects. The way that you find this is you click on widgets and your widget button on the bottom, click widgets. You'll find Photo Booth by Jackie Chu and 4 others. And if you hit it, it'll bring up your photo booth. You can click the red button to take a photo of you, or now it has more options of different cameras that you can use, and after you take a photo, different effects that you can apply to your photo. The original one was pretty good too, so it is what it is. The next update is the Emoji Picker widget. They've updated the Emoji Picker library to Unicode 14.0, so that adds 300 more new emojis for you to text comment with. So basically, if you hit the colon button and you hit cat, instead of 3 cats, you now have 10 cats. If you want a star, instead of 1 star, you now have 10 stars. If you want a dog, instead of 1 dog, you now have 4 dogs. So more emojis and easier to get to. All you do is you hit the colon button and click whatever you want. And probably with Unicode, you're gonna find emojis for pretty much anything. The last update is called Rejoin Spotlight. The way that you do this is if I want to spotlight myself, I go up to here and I click Spotlight Me, and you'll see it says waiting for followers if I want to spotlight, and now I'm spotlighted and people can go back to the position I'm in. But to give you an idea of what it looks like from somebody else's perspective, if some other Leo Pike clicks Spotlight Me, you'll see it says Spotlighting Leo Pike. And I'm now focused on his screen, whoever that is. And if I now move away on my FigJam board, I always have this interface up here that I can click follow and go right back to Leo's screen. So it's just a little bit easier for the presenter to give an interface to the followers that makes it a little bit easier for them to follow. And that's it. Those are the 5 updates from Figma's Little Big Updates this week. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe if you want Figma's updates every week, brought to you on video. Thank you.